Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make watermelon mojito. It's so easy to make and refreshing. So let's assemble the drink. Firstly, add few fresh watermelon cubes to a glass. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Now add 2 tablespoons of white sugar and add few fresh mint leaves. Using a muddler, muddle the watermelon cubes along with the mint leaves and other ingredients. Now drop in some shaved ice and a few ice cubes. Friends, what is your favorite mojito? Let me know in the comment section. You can add some more fresh mint leaves and some pieces of lemon. Now pour the soda into the glass. Mix everything well using a spoon to combine. The mocktail looks fantastic. So this is how easy you can make fresh and virgin watermelon mojito. It's perfect for summer night gatherings and parties. Garnish with few pieces of watermelon and a fresh mint leaf and finish it off with placing a piece of watermelon. Hope you enjoy the video. Check the description box for more mojito recipes. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.